What's up, y'all? My name is Kaylar. For those who are new, welcome. And in today's video, I just want to chat with you guys for a bit. I want to talk about how I found out my son is gifted and talented, and kind of how that explained the challenges I've been running into since I've also pulled him out of school. So let's get right into the video, shall we? All right, so how I found out that my son is gifted and talented is I had him evaluated by 3 professional certified teachers slash tutors, and all 3 have confirmed that he's gifted and talented, and that I need to basically start implementing a little bit more challenging things for him to do, or not necessarily challenging things, just things that challenge him more. So like the things that he's interested in, keep feeding into it and kind of build something based off that still, but that takes more time to maybe slow him down, because I also discovered that's also the reason why he's so fast paced, and that he's also very sensitive. I didn't know that it's not only, academic, but like with his emotions and all that stuff. So I was like, well, I really learned a lot about it over the weekend, over this past week actually, and I was like shocked. I was really surprised. I was like, oh wow, that kind of explains a lot why I feel like I'm not doing enough. Like I'm the one that's behind, and he's just very so fast paced. But I have got a lot of help and advice and tips on what to do. Basically keep nurturing his interests, his curiosity, and just make it a little bit more challenging, something that requires more of a deep thinking to slow him down, because guys, he is so fast and he learns so much at one time, and is, like I said, on my part, it's hard to keep up. And when he don't really need a lot of like repetition and stuff like that, I'm like, okay, that's good, but it gets kind of hard to keep up from there. And so yeah, I found that out. And also today we went to I think it's called, what it was called, the Cornelius Nursery, and it was close here by the house, where we got to shop for new plants. I've got me a new plant, y'all get to see that. The boys got them a new Venus flytrap, and what was the other flower? What was the other flower? Picture plant. Okay.
And I have a mouth open, and I have nectar.
Gotcha. So yeah, it was picture plant.
And the sun, you see the hairs on it.
Gotcha. Okay, so yeah, y'all will get to see that, because I did record him showing off his plant with his Venus flytrap and his pitcher plant. So y'all get to see all that good stuff. Also, some more party stuff came in. I hate that it didn't really come with a lot of stuff like I expected, but it's cool. I will use what I have, and then if I have to get more, I'll just do so. The only thing I need to get more of is plates, napkins, silverwares, and cups. That's pretty much it. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to come on here and share all this good stuff with you guys. Like I said, back to finding out my child was gifted and talented, it really explains a lot. Like even back when he was in pre-K, when he first started school, the signs was all there, but me as a parent, and a new parent, first time parent, him going to school on top of that, it was like I didn't know what to look for. And I also found out that the teachers he had couldn't differentiate his gifted and talentedness from the other students. So it kind of made it, to a point it was becoming like more of a behavior issue, when it really wasn't a behavior issue. Now that I found out, it was more of like the teacher's issue. But that's nor here or there. Now that I do know what's going on and what to do moving forward, I can't wait for the summer to start implementing these new changes that's going to be happening based off that. So yeah, I just want him to thrive, you know, and he's thriving so much. He learns so much. And I love that for him. I wouldn't want to change it for nothing in the world. So I let his curiosity just take off. It's here, there, everywhere. But, you know, that's cool. I'll catch up eventually. So, but yeah, I was just so shocked when I found out all these things and just like how it all added up. Leading up to the time I pulled him out of school, the problems we've been having, honestly, not just like I said, since pre-K. And I just pulled him out February in kindergarten. So yeah, it's just like, wow, mind-blowing. I never know. I learned so much through the community, the homeschool community. I really appreciate that. It's been a tremendous help for me in this journey. So it just feels good to know that I'm not alone in it. And I have support not only from the community but family as well. And that is good. That is great. So yeah, guys, I'm just super excited to share that with you guys. I can't wait to update you more on that, more on the homeschool journey and all that good stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You'll see a little bit of everything. So just stay posted. More videos are coming you guys' way. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your notification bell on so you know the days that videos will air. Again, my post days are Sunday and Wednesday at 12 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and again, until next week, bye. Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how we utilize the little handcraft activities that I did here for Kyron to help improve his reading and also memorize sight words. So let's show him how to use it. Go ahead.
At, met, b, at, bet, k, at, cat, p, at, pet, f, at, fat, r, at, rat, s, at, set.
Good job. Okay. And then this one.
At, vet.
And then take your time. Remember, what sound does CH make? Good job.
At, chat. D, at, that.
No, you're not on that. You right here.
At, flat. At, that.
Good job.
This is my vegan fly trap, some dudes. And I heard if people feed their own vegan fly trap and they eat it, they never die. So that's what I'm gonna do. And my family think they're gonna die if I feed it. So my daddy lucky I got more picture prints than him and more vegan fly trap. He lucky. But I would have feed my vegan fly trap. I should have feed my vegan fly trap some roly polies, but they had shells. So that's why I didn't. I gave them bugs that didn't have shells. That had no shells, but just the. And see these? Hey, look, I'm not done. See these? These are the sweetness. In the sun, you can see it, but in the shade, you can't. Look, y'all.
Well, we had fun shopping for the plants, right?
Yeah, now look. Let me show you the sweetness. But see it? That's the sweetness.
But we really did. We had a really good time shopping for them. I can't wait to show you guys the plant that I got. A nice corner plant.
That help you sneeze?
No, but that's easy to take care of. So I can't wait to show you guys what that plant looked like. So y'all stay tuned for that. I'll see y'all in a bit. So this is the plant I got today. It's so pretty. I'm about to water it and find a nice little corner for it.
So, these are right pictures. And these, you can see.
So some more party stuff came in. We got straws, the cups that only came with 10. Looks like the cake topper, 10 dessert plates. We'll just get more plates. It didn't even come with silverwares. The tablecloth. Napkins. I'll get more napkins as well. And the little happy birthday banner thing. And the balloons. So this is everything. Just have to get more plates and silverwares. But that's pretty much it. And cups. So yeah. And yeah, I forgot to show y'all the cupcake toppers. But yeah, this is everything and all it came with.
Okay. A-H-I-O-O-S.